Hi, my name is Chris Mogadam, and I'm going to be helping you go through and set up your Handshake as an alumni. So to start, you'll want to go to the Career Center's website, indstate.edu/career-center, and then you're going to click Handshake. From here, you'll see the different types of portal logins. You're going to click Alumni Login, and then sign up here in the top right corner. Search for Indiana State University, and then go ahead and start filling this out. They'll ask for a password. The password has to be at least 12 characters long, and then agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. After you sign up, it's going to send you an email to whatever email you put that associates with it. If you're using Yahoo, there is a chance that it could go to your spam folder, so be aware of that. It also tells you that if you're not seeing it, add them as a contact and then resend the email right there. So next you're just going to click Confirm Email, and it should automatically take you back to Handshake. Next, it's really important that you take this next part and you really just make it your own. So it's going to ask you a bunch of different questions, and this is to help employers see what you're looking for and what your interests are to make sure that you're finding jobs that are the right match for you. So go through and really kind of put different parts that are relevant to you. If you don't want to live in Atlanta, maybe don't put Atlanta as one of the popular cities for you. You can type anywhere you want, and that'll just help make it a little bit easier for employers to find the right person. So click a few that really interest you, you can click next, and basically you're going to go through here, and the more that you add to it, the better it's going to help you kind of find the right match. What are you looking for in an employer? Whether it's types of employers, company supports, or company cultures. What roles are you interested in? So this lets you kind of help get more of the exact position that you're kind of looking for. Skills you're looking to bring to the job. Different types of organizations that you might have been a part of during your undergrad, or things that you might still be a part of today. You can even add different places where you volunteered, and that's just another way to kind of help you stand out. So once you've done that, it's going to take you to what looks like this. This will show you some different upcoming events and upcoming career fairs that we have. Until you get approved by the ISU Career Center, it might seem a little limited, but it doesn't take too long for them to approve you and get you into the system. You can also update your profile and to continue to add things such as information about yourself, some of your education, work, and volunteer experience. Some of the things you've already put in will be in here, and you can add more details to those. As you can see, the skills we clicked are all right there. And you can even find more different types of things of kind of what you're interested in, and you can make your profile public. So it'll tell you that your profile might be 15% complete, 20% complete, but you want to keep adding stuff until you get that to 100% completion. You can add a custom photo right there, and from then you can also upload documents such as resumes and any other documents that it might be relevant towards your job search. After you have your profile complete, another thing that you're going to need to keep in mind is when you go to log in. So like I stated before, on this page you'll click Alumni Login, and just to show you, I'm going to go ahead and sign out. It'll take you to a screen that looks like this. Select your school, and you're not going to click this. What you're going to do is you're going to sign in with your email address. This is very important because of the fact that you're no longer an active student. It doesn't mean that you're not an active alumni or that you have an account with us. So basically you'll sign in with your email address, type in the email, and then right here you'll type in your password and you'll be all set. You can also bookmark this page in order to make it more convenient for you for future logins. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the Career Center.